Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Devlet and today we will study numbers and in Turkmen language. Türkmen dilinde sanlar. The numbers in Turkmen language are very simple and easy to learn. Let's start. One, we say bar. It's not bir, it's a bar. Bar. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 1 to 10 is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then how we say 11, 12, 13, 14. It's very simple. So 10 is a on. In order to say 11, we say 10, 1. For example, on bir. So on is a 10, 1 is a bir. On bir is a 11. In order to say 12, we say 10, 2. On is a 10, then 2. 2 is a 2. The same way we say 13. On, 3. On is a 10, 3 is a 3. Here is a 3. So together that would be 13. So up to the 19, it is the same way. For example, 13, then 14. 14, 15. 15, 16. 16, 17, 18, 19. But 20 is different. Yeah. 20 is 20. 30, 30. 40, 40. 50, 50. 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80. Pay attention, we do not read it as a seg, sen. No. Many foreigners make a mistake here. They read these g as a g. I told you before that when we have g, this letter in the beginning of the word, we read it as a g. But at the middle, in the middle of the word, we read it as a r. So, ferfen, ferfen. Tolfan, 90, and the last one, youth. So, let me give you one more example. If we want to say, let's say, if we want to say 65, 65, we say 60, then dash. So that would be 60. 65. So I hope you don't have any questions. If you have questions, please, you can ask me. So this is about the numbers from 1 to 90, to 100, sorry. So if you want to say 99, you say 99. Let's say 71, 71. 71. When we read it together, we do not say 71, we say 71. 71. Because two words we join together and let me write 71. But when we pronounce them, 70 and bir, it becomes as a one word, Then this b becomes as a v, 71. We say 71. And e, long e. Let me mark it with these dots, 71, not 71. 71. So this is about the numbers. The next thing I want to explain to you today is asking the price. For example, one day when you visit Turkmenistan, you can ask the price using the two words. For example, näçe, you can say bu näçe. For example, bu is this. You can say bu näçe. Bu näçe. Näçe is a how many, how much. Or otherwise you can say bu näçeden, adding the suffix of çıkış dışım, or in English, instrumental case. So bu näçeden, or you can say bu näçe. That's all. Both of them is correct, the native people will understand you.